In this quick video, I want to show you how to use the list view, a powerful tool for managing and organizing your page and post content more effectively. When editing a page or post, blocks can sometimes be tricky to select, especially when working with more complex layouts. The list view solves this problem by giving you a clear, structured outline of all the blocks on your page in one place. You can see the hierarchy of your content at a glance. Each block is listed in order, making it easy to jump directly to the one you want to edit. You can also drag and drop blocks in the list view to quickly rearrange your layout. You can also click the three vertical dots next to a block and rename it to keep everything organized. And now we will see that the section is titled Services. The list view is especially effective when you are working with nested blocks, such as groups, columns, and patterns. When you select a group block or a container block, you can click the little arrow to see all the nested blocks inside. And when you need to, you can close it to make it feel less cluttered. Next, when you select a block in the list view, you can click the three vertical dots and then there are a few options. You can copy the block, duplicate it, add content before the block, or add content after the block. To select more than one block at a time, hold in Shift and select all the relevant blocks. When you click the three vertical dots, you can delete multiple blocks simultaneously. Instead of clicking around and hoping you select the right block, the list view lets you pinpoint exactly where you need to go. In this case, I want to go to my blog posts and my art of packing section. And when you select a block on the right of the screen, it's also highlighted in the list view so you know exactly what you've chosen. In short, the list view is a practical way to keep control of your page design. It helps you to move faster and maintain clarity.